You ready to pay off the podium?
I'm gonna start looking. Where do you want to stand up at the podium now?
Right here, sir.
I'm going to, I'll let you know when they're all. Okay.
Welcome to the Honorable Anime Security Judicial Center of 36th District Court, the City of Detroit, the State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. All electronic devices must be placed on silent and vibrated. Additionally, there's no talking, eating, drinking, sleeping, or gum chewing. No hats, bonds, or scarves except for religious purposes. No audio, video recording, broadcasting, or live streaming. Any violation of these policies can result in removal from the court session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do.
Morning.
Sorry, Ms. Bill. I'm sorry, Ms. Bill.
Good morning.
Bienvenidos a todos a la sala del honorable juez Sean Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos por favor que no estén ni hablando, ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni mascando chicle. Estén vestidos adecuadamente para la corte. Y si tienen la gorra, una gorra o cachucha o sombrero puesto, quítenselo a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Y mantengan sus dispositivos silenciados hasta que llamemos a su caso. Gracias.
Miss Williams-Laura, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Phillips, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Von Ludi.
No, Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822. Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Bachman, are you there? Where is Mr. Bachman?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you ready? I'm going to call the Lopez case.
I'm sorry, I missed the last transmission. Can you repeat, please?
Lopez Alvarez, that's your client?
Yes.
Okay, this is the City of Detroit versus Maria Lopez Alvarez. Case number SP178-48221. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus María del Rosario López Álvarez. Número de caso SP178-48221. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give the court your full name?
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy Harry Boffman, número de abogado P55052, representando a la señora López Álvarez. Que usted, señora, puede decir su nombre para que conste en el acta.
María del Rosario López Álvarez.
María del Rosario López Álvarez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Bachman, do you need a breakout room for your client?
Buenos días, usted, señor. Esta es la día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Señor Boffman, ¿necesita usted una sala privada para consultar con su cliente?
Judge, I believe that we are continuing a not guilty plea. My client is asking for a bench trial.
Su señoría, espero que continuemos nuestra declaración de no culpable. Mi cliente está pidiendo que le den la fecha para un juicio con juez.
For the reason that she is not guilty of these charges.
Por la razón de que ella no es culpable de estos cargos.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna give you a trial date of January the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, we wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Muy bien, señora. Le voy a dar entonces la fecha para un juicio con juez. Va a ser el 12 de enero del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana. Si usted no tiene algo que agregar, le queremos desear unos días feriados felices y seguros y buena suerte a usted. Que tenga buen día.
Disculpe, una pregunta, ¿va a ser virtual también?
Excuse me, but I have a question. Will the bench trial also be virtual?
Yes.
Yeah, it's virtual, ma'am.
Sí, va a ser virtual, señora.
Ok, muy bien. Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Thank you again.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is
Gracias.
that all you have, Ms. Billeroo?
I have one other, Your Honor. Dennis Alfredo Pastor Gomez.
Okay, I don't believe he showed yet.
Okay.
All right, this is, Mr. Baughman, I have Samuel Ashore.
We're ready.
You ready? This is the city of Detroit versus Samuel James LaSure Jr. Case number SP 1790748, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1790756, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman. On behalf of the defendant, would you state your name, please, sir?
Samuel LaSure.
Thank you.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is day time set for a pretrial. What is, Mr. Baughman, what does Mr. LaSure want to do?
Your Honor, would you please, and thank you, set this matter for a bench trial, if you can, on January 12th?
January 12th, Mr. LaSure, at 9 a.m. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave, sir.
Okay.
Mr. LaSure, I'll be in touch.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Davion Andre Ludy. Case number SP 167-61642, SP 1755028, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1755011, SP 1788159, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1804524. SP 1808081, SP 9614411, and U 6355622. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ludy.
Devon Andre Ludy.
Good morning to you, sir. There's the time set for the pre-trial. Mr. Berry, I called some cases into the record that went on the docket. There were civil infractions gone in default. One of them is a $288 no insurance proof. I'll allow Mr. Ludy to pay $45 reinstatement fee on that up front. I don't have any issue with setting these matters aside. The city has no objection doing so. I also see another thing that's affecting Mr. Ludy's license, another no insurance proof, $336. I'll allow you to pay $45 reinstatement fee on that as well, with the understanding that he's gonna have to pay that to not set that before aside. So if you have your pen ready, sir, Mr. Barry.
Ready, Your Honor.
Excuse me, I wanted to say something about can I say something?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, is violation of pedestrian right of way. I think that's what is in there. Is a no insurance proof, a no valid registration, a disregarding a red signal. And I also see a blocking traffic. I count 11 cases into the record. I count 7 cases into the docket. All right, Mr. Ludy, I stopped you because I want to give an opportunity to talk to Mr. Berry about whatever issues that you have. He should be able to advise you on those If you need to ask the court questions after you speak to Mr. Berry, I'll let you do so, all right?
Okay, all right, thanks.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Okay. Lawrence Lyles. Okay, good
Yes,
morning,
yes.
Ms. Lee, Attorney Lee. I gave you, who's your client?
I'm standing in for another attorney for Mr. Gonzalez, Edgar Gonzalez.
And who's your attorney that you brought for Barack?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so, the way it works in here is I'll give you, the ability to, go to breakout 4. You should have that ability, your co-host. I'm gonna put your client in breakout room 6. And,
Yes, Your Honor.
your client takes the deal, then make sure your client is fully advised of his advice and rights. Mr. Gonzalez, I want you to join breakout room 6 and wait on your attorney to come see you. She's gonna speak with the city attorney, okay?
Copy.
All right, join
Thank
the
you, Your
room.
Honor.
You're welcome, and you can go to 4 and wait on the city attorney. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Lawrence Lyles. Case number SP 101-27731, SP 101-5536, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1022936-1, SP 1033644, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1033651, SP 105-37251, SP 1106211, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1401709, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1682526, counts 1. SP 1724221, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1291111. SP 177-69221, SP 177-69831, SP 991616, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 9918731, U 5296621, 1946444931. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May I please this honorable court, Chair Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. Lyles. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lawrence Lyles.
Your Honor, was an attorney ever requested on these matters?
Oh. No. Mr. Lyles, I don't, do you have a file, Ms. Harris?
No, I can't.
I don't see that one has ever been, I don't have the actual file in front of me, so I can't answer that. Mr. Lyles, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
10 Malachi.
Yes, Tim Malachi. Wait a minute. Tim Malachi is his attorney. Ms. Harris, I'm gonna tell Mr. Lyles, I'm gonna put him in, did she leave already? Yeah. Let's see if I can bring it back up. Ms. Harris,
Yes, sir.
Let him know Tim Malafy is his attorney. So I'm gonna put him in breakout room 6. So he
Okay.
can wait. Mr. Malafy checked in already.
Okay, I will tell him and then I will come right back up.
And put him in breakout room 6. Well, not 6 then, put him in 9.
Okay.
Please. All right, is that Dovey Lee? Miss Dovey Lee?
Yes, Your Honor, good morning.
Your matter is set for trial. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30 to check in. If the officer doesn't check in, we'll get you out of here, which I'm sure this is Corporal Spidell. He generally checks in. If not, I'll get you out of here. If so, I'll get you in a breakout room with an attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You will. City of Detroit versus Talisha Glenn, case number C56-19281, SP 1808548, SP 1808991. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Talisha Glenn.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. The day is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Glenn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Let us know what you want. On the telephone at 313-762-3564. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Annette Legion.
Say that again, ma'am.
Annette Legion.
Legion?
Yes,
Good morning to you.
good morning.
Your matter is set for trial. I'm going to give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer appears, I'll get you in there with an attorney. If the officer doesn't appear, I'll get you out of here. All right, Ms. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lutie. Mr. Lutie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, did Mr. Berry answer your questions?
Yes.
Okay. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a pretrial date. And that pretrial date is set just to make sure that that attorney has contact with you. If that attorney doesn't have contact with you by the next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Your next date is going to, oh, I need a good phone number from you too, sir.
313-989-8934.
The next date is gonna be January the 9th, 2026. I just ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney again, we'll appoint one on the spot for you on January 9th. If you don't have anything further, you have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and I'll see you in the new year.
All right, thank you. You as well, sir.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Right, 140. Yes, connected audio.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Wanted to see this,
Good morning, staff.
okay, right 140 device, right 140 device. Warrant to you, sir. Is that an officer? You're looking into the camera. Right 140. You got two other ladies behind your officers. All right.
Your Honor, would you like the interpreter to let Mr. Garcia know that his device should be muted? He just showed up now.
Please.
Señor García, buenos días. Por favor, mantenga su dispositivo silenciado hasta que llamemos a su caso.
On the Wing Tech device, Wing Tech, can you unmute yourself and start your camera and state your name, please?
Roger William Lewis.
Roger William Lewis.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's get it back. Tiana Gardner.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Oh, are we, this is for you, right, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, this is, City of Detroit versus Tiana Gardner, case number SP 1808245, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1808252, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Tiana Shante Gardner.
Okay, Mr. Berry, I do see that Ms. Gardner has an associate, I don't know if this is associated or not, a high BAC case. as well. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry, Mr. Gardner. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Now, that high BAC is a third, so that's not in front of me, Mr. Barry. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gardner, and Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the job, you have the right to trial. All right? Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Glenn. Ms. Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, Ms. Glenn does have a valid driver's license.
And she was also able to present valid insurance and registration.
Okay, Ms. Glenn, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further. I would say happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Is Kim Little here?
Good morning, Judge. That's my case.
Are you ready, or you need a breakout room with her?
Well, I'm going to need to get the discovery, and I haven't had a chance to talk to the prosecutor today. I don't know who your prosecutor is today.
Then four, have we gone over this before with the discovery?
No, this is my first time. I'm not following what you're asking me.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and Ms. Little, I'm gonna put you in breakout room
Okay.
5. I'm gonna
Good
put you in
morning.
breakout room 5. Good morning to you. Ms. Barrett is gonna come see you, okay? She's gonna speak to the prosecutor.
Okay.
I do have some other ones, Judge. I don't know if you want.
One time, please. Go ahead.
I have Matthew Golson.
Golson?
Yes, I didn't see him.
Test. There you go.
And I also have Joshua Osley.
He's here.
Okay, that's mine. And also William Gregory.
One second on Joshua Osley is here. And then you have Osley's file.
Did you put Osley in a room, Judge?
I will. Mr. Osley, I'm gonna put you in breakout room.
Okay.
Wish I can get them all row. Put you in breakout room 11, okay?
Okay.
Wait on Miss Barrett.
Okay, I will.
You
You
put
ask
little.
for something that's gonna disconnect and it's gonna kick you out. So try to just wait until she comes and speaks to you, all right?
Okay.
And then who was the last one, Miss Barrett?
I also had William Gregory.
William Gregory here. I don't think he's showed yet.
Okay. Did you say anything about Golson?
I just marked it as your client, but I don't think Olson is showing it either. Okay, let's get back to on the young lady that just got the computer situated right. 140.
Yes,
good morning.
sir.
What is your name, ma'am?
Right.
That officer, right?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris, are you ready for someone?
It's ready, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Debbie Rochelle Lee. Case number SP 1802265, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Debbie Lee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Dovey Lee.
All right. Good morning to you. Days, date, and time set for a trial. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
I didn't hear you talking to me, Your Honor.
I'm talking to Corporal, he's here. Ms. Lee, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial, all right? Join the room. What you wanna do when you come out, please? Corporal Spidell.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record for W. Lee, please?
Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. I'm gonna, she's speaking with the attorney and we'll pass the matter until they see if they can get a resolution. Attorney Clayton, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. Corporal Spidell, you raised your hand.
That was an accident, I'm sorry.
All right. Who's your client, Attorney Clayton?
I have Gary Lewis. He's there in person. I might not have properly labeled my name. I will do that.
I don't see Gary Lewis here.
He's in person, Judge.
Yeah, I don't, he's not here. I don't see him here. So he hasn't arrived.
Yeah, I think he was going through the doors when we spoke.
Okay. Did you know to go to breakout room 4 to speak with the city attorney?
Will do. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter pleas to failure to display for the revoked license charge and limited access 1 to 5 for disregarding a red signal. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Unmute, Ms. Gardner.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, ma'am?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Draw your attention back to October 14, 2025, around 10:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Alter. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
Because I'm having a problem with retaining my license. I have some counterparts, Mr. Willie Bill from the Farm Program and Miss Phoebe from the Shine Program that is going to assist me with retaining my license moving forward. The other case I thought was dismissed until today, this morning. So now I have to look into that matter. Um, that's about it.
Did you just have, you didn't have a license and, did you run the red light that day, ma'am?
No, no, Your Honor, I did not run the red light. The office, the police cruiser was.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. She indicated, Mr. Berry, that she did not run the red light. Mr. Berry, do you want to go back in there and see if you can see another resolution? If not, then we're gonna have to, have a trial.
Speak with your client again.
All right, go back into the breakout room, ma'am, and speak with Mr. Berry, and, let's see what happens.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Edgar Gonzalez, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
You have to rejoin the room now. Ms. Gardner,
Yes.
you have to rejoin.
Okay. Join. Thank.
This is the city of Detroit versus Edgar Gonzalez, case number we strike that U722376225. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Amber Lee, P84377, standing in for the attorney of record on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Gonzalez, can you unmute and state your full name for the record, please?
Edgar Gonzalez.
Today is the date, and morning to you, counsel. Today is the date and time set for a retrial. What does Mr. Gonzalez want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, the prosecution has offered to amend count 1 to a disorderly person under HIDA. And my client would like to accept that offer.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes.
All right, you want to raise your right hand, please? Or the other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Lee went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
By taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 18th, 2025, around 9:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Rockville. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you do something out there, sir, to cause a police presence?
Something like it, yeah.
It's not something like this, it's yes or no?
Yes.
And would you agree that that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
If the court is satisfied, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. I'm gonna order you to take a misdemeanor morality class, sir, as part of your sentence. I'm gonna order you to get tested, HIV, STD testing. The results will be private to you. I'll give you a number to an eBay that they offer the class. You can get tested at any of your any clinic or whatever you find necessary. I'm gonna fine you $240. It'll be taken under the Home Trooper Training Act. I'm gonna give you a review date. I'm gonna give you 30 days to complete this of January the 12th, 2026 at 8:25. That eBay number is 313-864-8205. 313-864-8205. I think it is a waiting list to get in on those classes, so you may want to call those as soon as you can. I'm gonna give you until January 12th to complete this stuff. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person at 240. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you and your counsel, I wish you very good, best of luck, and have a safe and happy holiday season.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Malachi, one of your clients was here. I think that client is, Lyles.
Yep,
Lawrence?
I have three that I was assigned this morning, Judge. I'll take them to breakout room, but also I'll be happy to just go into, if someone can let me know whether the odds or evens are open.
Well, I just will assign you to, usually you'll be assigned to 5. I'm gonna put you, that's gonna be your breakout 5. I'll put Ms. Barrett's client at 6. Your breakout room will be 5 moving forward on your cases. I'm gonna put Mr. Lyle, we already called Mr. Lyle's case into the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence Elbert Lyles. Mr. Malachi, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
And good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafy, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Lyles. Mr. Lyles, one more time, state your name for the record, please.
Lawrence Lyles.
Your Honor.
Okay.
I did have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Lyles on the 10th in regards to his cases. I'm not certain if we're going to be able to put something together today. I'd have to look and see if anything's been sent over because I wasn't given a docket.
I'm gonna put Mr. Lyles in breakout room 5. Mr. Lyles, Mr. Malachi will do a little work and see what the next step is. He'll come in and advise. Keep in mind, you already know Mr. Malachi, take some deal and make sure he's fully advised of his advice or rights. Not unless you just want to go straight to trial and set a trial date.
We may, Judge. I gotta figure some stuff out and talk to who is the attorney in this courtroom?
Horn, she's in a breakout room 3. I'm gonna put you in 5, Mr. Lyles. We'll pass the matter. Join the room. All right. We're talking about Garcia, right? Mr. Masario, good morning to you. Who do you have?
Good morning, Judge. I have William Gregory. I'm not seeing him checked in, though.
I don't believe he's checking in either. Is that the only one you have?
It's the only one today, Judge. Much easier day.
All right.
How do you check in? Like,
you checked in, sir. Good morning to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you can hear me. How do you do that?
I'm gonna mute you, sir. You'll be able to unmute yourself when you see the prompt. Mr. Boffman, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to thank you for the opportunity to meet Mr. Anthony Lindsay this morning. We've had a chance to go in the breakout.
Okay, so give me 1 second. City of Detroit versus Anthony Fitzgerald Lindsay. Case number SP 176 18091, SB 181, 1844, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bossman on behalf of the defendant P55052. Mr. Lindsay, give the court your full and complete name, please.
Anthony Fitzgerald Lindsay.
Thank you. Judge, I'm thankful for the opportunity to speak to the defendant in the breakout room. Today is a date and time for a pretrial. We're asking if the matter could be reset for a pretrial. I'm going to order up the discovery that the defendant wants to see, and we believe it has exculpatory value. And we'll make a decision based on that information and material at the next action date. Would you set this for a pretrial, please?
Pretrial date, he's got a no insurance proof that he owes $288 on.
Yeah, we spoke about that. He's going to bring himself back online with respect to his license by the time we come back.
On these other 2 cases, I don't know when those dates will be set, but we'll set the review on that same day as well. January 9th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. Mr. Lindsay, if you don't have any further questions, you have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't hear the date. January 9?
January 9.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Thank you.
Are you as well? You have anyone else, Mr.
That's it for me, Judge. I hope you have a great weekend. Or if you need me, just let me know.
All right, very well.
All right, bye now.
Morning to you. Who's your client? Good morning. What's your name, sir? Jerry Lewis. Jerry Lewis, yeah, your attorney's here. Thank you. Good morning to you. Can you give him an advice or rights form, please? You don't already have one in the file. We have one. I'm sorry. We have one. Thank you.
They should be on the,
Yeah, I have one in here though.
but they should be on top of it.
All right, do we have any other attorneys in here ready to go?
Are they sitting on top?
So this is Attorney Kevin Bassano. I'm checking in on Ms. George, and it was set for a bench trial this morning.
And who is this? Good morning, Chief Officer. I mean, Attorney Bassano. Who's your client?
Tanea George, George. First name Tynayia.
Very well. She's here. City of Detroit versus Tanea Nicole George. Case number SP 1806400, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And good morning, y'all. Attorney Kevin Bassano, P71061 on behalf of Ms. Tanea George. Ms. George, please state your name for the record.
Tanea George.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. George. Mr. Officer Ireton is here. What I'm going to do is, Officer Ireton in this room, he did check in. I do not see him in the room now. What I'm going to do, Mr. Hassan, is I'm going to put Ms. George in breakout room 8. That'll be your breakout room for Ms. George. Keep in mind, if Ms. George takes the deal, make sure Ms. George is fully advises her advice or rights. I'm going to put you in breakout room 4 to speak with the city attorney, and then you can see if you can work it out. You have the ability to move from breakout room 4 to 8 for your client. All right.
No problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. George, join breakout room 8, please. Wait on your attorney, and we'll pass it back. Officer Ireton, he's here. Back. Yeah. Officer Ireton, your case was called. They're working it out now.
Thanks. Sorry about that. I had to log into Judge King and check in there.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I'm giving you again an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the current offer of the people is to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving on a revoked license, as well as improper plates for the no valid registration charge.
Well, no valid registration is a civil infraction, so we'll just leave it at no valid registration, right? As charged.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Gardner, are you contesting the fact that you had valid registration on that day?
Am I attesting that I have valid registration?
Are you contesting that fact?
Oh, am I
That you
contesting?
did have valid registration? Right, did you have valid registration on that day, ma'am?
Yes, it's valid registration on the vehicle.
There you go, Mr. Berry. She says she has valid registration as well. On that day, was the registration valid?
Yes, it's not my vehicle, but the registration was valid.
Okay. Did you show proof of the registration being valid?
No.
I believe you have to be able to show proof.
Okay.
Person in the background, please do not interrupt, all right? Not whether your registration was in your wallet or not. It's whether your registration, whether this Gardner has to display the registration at the time of the stop. That's what the really question is. I'm looking up MCL 257.223. Registration certificate carrying electronic accessibility display. Registration certificate shall at all times be carried in the vehicle to which it refers, or shall be carried by or electronically accessible to the person driving or in control of the vehicle, who shall display a paper or electronic copy of the registration certificate upon demand by the police officer. So whether the question here is, first, you're telling me that the registration was valid, but also you have to be able to display that registration on demand of a police officer. And you are telling me that you could not do that, right, ma'am?
I'm correct.
All right, so I can find her responsible for not having valid registration. Stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry. We'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And all of that about the registration is really not going to matter, because I'm not going to fine you for the registration. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. I am going to fine you $240 for failure to amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license. When can you pay it now?
I can pay it after Christmas.
I pay it by January the 12th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I wish you and your person that's with you and your family a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. And I wish you the best of luck, all right?
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. Garrett. Is Eric Garrett there?
Unmute, Mr. Garrett.
Yeah, I got it. This is the city of Detroit versus Eric Garrett, case number SP 1812418, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 181247001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garrett.
Eric Lamont Garrett.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put in the breakout room with you, and he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial when the license. All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass. Attorney Clayton, good morning. Let's go back on the record with Miss Dovey Lee. Ms. Lee,
Yes,
I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulate to probable cause.
That's for providing valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lee, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
thank you and happy holidays to you and your family. And thank the court for being so kind.
You're welcome. Griffin, Andre Griffin. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Andre Demine Griffin. Case number U6-444-3422. SP 11847-232. SP 1361206, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1813560, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Andre Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time. I see that it was set for a pretrial on the SP 181 cases, but he has a driving while license suspended, no insurance misdemeanor, another driving while license suspended, and a disorderly conduct that are in warrant status for purposes of arraignment on those cases.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I will recall the warrants. Mr. Griffin, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an update offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I will say that that disorderly conduct ticket is in here. It alleges that Mr. Griffin on May 22nd, 2022, consumed alcohol in public, observed male consume alcohol from a clear solo cup after asking what was inside. Male stated Patron and Red Bull. So it alleged that he told on himself. All right, Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have the right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Ms. George?
Yes, Judge, we are ready on Ms. George, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. George. Ms. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? There are no notes on this, Counselor.
So Judge, I spoke to Ms. Horn, the prosecutor, Judge. The officer did indeed check in today. He had to step. He texted Ms. Horn and he had to step away because he's in a different hearing in a different court. But I'm also, Judge, asking for an adjournment, and Ms. Horn stipulated to this. There's an additional video that she has to turn over to defense counsel. I believe that's the actual body cam footage. I have one body cam, but there's multiple body cams on this particular case. And so, Judge, I'm asking for just one brief adjournment to get those body cams, to view them with my client and prepare from there, Judge. But I'm asking just for one more additional adjournment, and the prosecutor had no objections.
Officer Iron, good morning.
Here.
Can you
Yes.
speak to your badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Thomas Ireton, badge 2518, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna reset this matter for trial on January the 12th. January the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Does that comport with your schedule, Counselor?
That works for me, yeah.
All right, Ms. George, if there's nothing further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. I'll see you back in the new year, son. I don't know if I'll see you before the holiday or not, but if not, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. And Officer Ireton, be safe out there, and I wish you the same, good holiday as well.
Same to you and your staff, Your Honor. Thank you.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Clayton and Gary Lewis.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I was disconnected from the breakout room. If I could be placed back in it, I was trying to call into another courtroom.
Very well, good morning to you.
I'm here, Judge.
All right, what's Mr. Lewis gonna do? Oh, Gary
Your
Lewis
Honor.
is here. He's here, he's here,
Right.
he's here. He's here.
And there's
So-
no officers on either ticket, Judge.
City of Detroit versus, step up, sir. Gary Alexander Lewis, case number SP 176-36901, SP 179-7266, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Lewis, who appears in person, P number 77302. Mr. Lewis, can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Gary Lewis. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We have an officer, do we have an Officer Melvin? Officer Melvin, and do we have an Officer Garcia, Raul Garcia? Let me check my list. I don't see it that any of those officers have joined the room. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Your Honor, we'd move to dismiss at this time. People unable to proceed.
All right, case is dismissed. Mr. Lewis, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, Counselor, you be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season as well. If I don't see you before this.
Likewise, Judge. Take care.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Eric Garrett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driver's license suspended and limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop at a stop sign. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail, the misdemeanor, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
How about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October 14, 2025, around 5:18 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of State Fair and Anvil. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department,
Yes.
operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
Because I don't have one.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the admitted count of failure to display. Did you run a stop sign on that day, sir?
Yes.
Find your client guilty of, strike that. Find your client responsible for the admitted count of limited access 1 to 5 with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, I'm not gonna fine you for the limited access. 240, when can you pay it, Mr. Garrett?
January 9th.
Pay it by January 12, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. To you as well.
Thank you. Miss Rule, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can get Mr. Gonzalez out of here. This is the city of Detroit versus Aaron Garcia Lanzi, case number SP 18110531, SP 181127, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de Aro García, números de caso SP 18110531 y SP 1811270, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full names.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre.
Aaron García.
Aaron Garcia.
Right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor García. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Lo vamos a pasar virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Cuando usted regrese, nos deja saber qué quiere hacer con su caso. Acepte la invitación donde dice join o unirse. Toque ahí join o unirse para pasar a la sala, por favor.
Right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. He's in there, Mr. Miller. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Griffin?
Correct.
All right, I'm giving you a pretrial date on January 9th. That date is set to make sure that appointed counsel has gotten in touch with you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, all right?
All right, thanks.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Eddie Guns. Eddie Guns here. Eddie Guns, you're at work, sir? Unmute yourself, please. You have to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Okay, here's something going on with this audio. We're gonna move on and you get your audio straight, sir. I don't know how to help you. You're unmuted on our end. So I don't know if it's the earpiece or not. I don't know what's affecting it. What about Landers?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Yes. Good morning. Yes.
City of Detroit versus Jatavia Landrews, case number SP 1787840, counts 1 and count 2, SP 1787841, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance to the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Landrews, please state your name for the record.
Jatavia. Jatavia Landrews.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Landrews.
Good morning.
Joshua Stewart, Officer Joshua Stewart is here. He was here. Mrs. Harris, figure it out, give Ms. Landrews an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Landrews, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do. You come out. Today is the day and time set for the trial.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Did you get it straight, Mr. Is that Edwin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Edwin Gunter?
Edward Gunter, Eddie Guns.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. All right, give me 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Anybody ready? Anybody ready?
Yes, Your Honor. On Ensifer Gould.
Yeah, can I mention something, Your Honor?
Not yet.
Okay.
City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Ensifer Gould. Case numbers SP 1662191, SP 1769361, counts 1 and counts 2, and SX 457244771. And then we have what Ensifer Gould, what is your date of birth, please?
March 5th, 1970. You must be pulling up my son.
Very well. Sorry about that. All right. Strike that from the record. City of Detroit, can we get City of Detroit versus Ensifer Gould Senior, case number Z8098461.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Gould. Mr. Gould, state your name for the record.
Ensifer Gould Sr.
Your Honor, I was just recently appointed on this case. I've yet to receive any of the discovery, which is not shocking considering it was approximately a day ago. But we just need to get the pretrial set out, Judge, so I could have an opportunity to see that discovery, go over it with my client, so we can make a determination.
All right, that's for purposes of bond.
Your Honor, at this time, I just ask that it be continued.
All right, I don't know if I've ever had any bond. This is the first time you're on me, it looks like. Have you been testing, Mr. Gould?
No.
All right, I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without permission. I am going to, no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. I'm gonna give you a $500 personal bond. Today is Friday, sir. I don't expect you to be able to get a test in today, but I do expect a test starting next week and every week thereafter until the bond conditions change or until the case is dissolved. We'll refer the matter to probation. I do need a good phone number from you.
Good phone number is 586-405-3867.
3867. And I'm gonna set a pretrial date for January the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. I'm gonna have you test 1 time per week. And here's the deal. If there's a mistest, a diluted test or a positive test for alcohol, sir, we're gonna up the ante on the bond. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, so, yes.
And I apologize. First, did I hear correctly, January 29th? Is that accurate?
January 9th.
9th, thank you, Your Honor. That was my first thing. Second question, Your Honor. And actually, this is more for Mr. Gould. Mr. Gould, out of curiosity, because I know that the holiday is coming, did you have any plans to leave the state?
Not until next month. I have a trip planned to Florida.
Okay, we can discuss that then.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
All right, no other questions, sir. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
I have one question. Where am I testing at? I mean, I don't know anything about it.
I'll talk to you about it, Mr. Gould.
Okay. All right.
Now, you can give him the number to probation, just so that he has it, 964-3414. They shouldn't call, you shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. So, Mr. Malachi will apprise you of anything, questions that you have, I'm sure. All right?
Yeah.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
You also.
All right, anybody else, Mr. Malachi?
Not presently, Your Honor, no.
Mr. Johnson, good morning to you. Are you ready on Otis?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. City of Detroit versus Samaj Otis, case number SP 1767398, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1767464-1, SP 1767482-1, and SP 18331181. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson II, P 72130, on behalf of Mr. Otis. He's on Zoom. You can state your name.
Mr. Otis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Majay Otis.
Good morning to you. We did have a seatbelt ticket that came in after all of this. That's SP 183311181. I don't know if you've gotten an offer on that or you even knew about it, Mr. Johnson.
I didn't know about it, Judge.
So Officer Williams did check in. He's not here now. Have you worked it out?
I did. Pursuant to Madam Prosecutor, move to dismiss based on no recollection. We have no objection.
I'm sure you don't. All right. Case dismissed. You want to see if you can work out that seatbelt ticket, or what do you want to do with that?
Sure, I can, I'll have a breakout room with Mr. Otis on that one.
All right, go back into the breakout room. Case dismissed on the cases I called, SP 1767398, count 1 and count 2, SP 176746441, and SP 1767481 for no recollection. If there's nothing further, I'll let you go ahead and work that out and come on back.
Thank you.
Let's pass that matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en con el caso del señor García. Señor García, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the matters as to Mr. Garcia are to be dismissed.
Su señoría, según la fiscalía, los casos que tenemos contra el señor García van a quedar desestimados.
All right, case is dismissed, sir. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Muy bien, entonces, señor García, sus casos quedan todos desestimados. Si no tiene usted algo que agregar, le queremos desear unos días feriados felices y seguros y que tenga buen día.
All right, Ms. If you don't have anything further, I wish you we'll see you soon. I'll see you before the holiday, I'm sure.
Oh, yes, Your Honor, but there is one other defendant that I was assigned to interpret for. I just don't think he's here. It's Gomez, Pastor Gomez.
Okay, well, you feel free to wait, or you can come on back if you want to check back in and check.
I'll wait a bit more, Your Honor, to see if he shows up.
Very well. This is the City of Detroit versus Edwin Robert Gunter, case number SP 1808536, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1808821. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gunter.
Edwin Robert Gunter.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. He did have a failure to use turn signal and no valid registration. I don't know what the they're still haven't been dissolved of. I don't know if he's set a hearing for those downstairs or not. Mr. Gunter, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Those 2 tickets are in default. They went into.
I don't understand how you're on. I was in court at the same time.
Listen, sir, don't talk until I prompt you to, okay?
Okay, I apologize, Your Honor.
I don't understand how either. I'm just giving the facts that I see. Mr. Berry's gonna take care of it, all right? All right, those tickets went into default on 11/24, 2025, 2026, 11/26, 2025, sorry. I don't have any issue with setting that default aside. If the city attorney doesn't have any issue with that, any objection to that. So that is a failure to use turn signal and a no valid registration. Mr. Gunter, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Anyone else ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Who do you have? I have Antonio Griggs.
He's requesting a bench trial date. And I do want to ask on Ashanti Lockett if the officers appear. I haven't seen the officer.
Let's do one at a time, Mr. Overstreet. City of Detroit versus Antonio Griggs, case number SP 179-30691. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, on behalf of Mr. Antonio Griggs. Mr. Griggs, can you unmute and state your name?
Antonio Griggs.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. My understanding, you want a trial date, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Briggs, I'm gonna give you a trial date of January 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Your Honor, is it possible to do the 15th?
It is.
Thank you.
Make it January 15th, Mr. Briggs,
Yes, sir. Same time.
at 9 a.m., same time.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day and have a safe, happy holiday season.
You also. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashante Lockett. Case number SP 1774769, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Mr. Lockett, P number 6917. Mr. Lockett, can you state your name?
Ashanti Lockett.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lockett.
Good morning.
Miled Abed. I don't believe I've seen that officer join the room. Let me look at my list.
Thank you.
Your Honor. Yes.
This is Annette Legion. This is Annette Legion. You told me to wait.
And you still need to wait, Miss Legion, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I don't see that officer checked in on my list, and I don't know if the city attorney's not on my list. Go ahead, Counsel.
Respectfully requesting a dismissal.
All right, I'll grant the motion to dismiss Mr. Lockett if there's nothing further. Wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You too, thank you.
I have one more, Raymond Lanier, but he's not been responsive. Except for a
All right,
trial
so-
today.
All right, so if he's not here, he's not here. So he'll still have some time to but
I'll stand by.
very well. Okay, any other attorneys ready?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Mr.
Ready, Judge.
Johnson, Mr. Otis.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. If you could set his for an informal hearing.
Set this informal hearing. He probably needs to do that. Maybe can you do that, Brad? SP 1833. Go ahead. SP. Oh, you're doing something. I need to get an informal hearing date. And then you're gonna send it down there?
We said an informal for you or for 220?
Informal for 220.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Right, that would be the informal. He's up here at the informal.
Okay, let me call downstairs and get it date.
Or
all right, let's go ahead. Or he can set it up. You guys can set it up over the phone, can't you?
Yeah, they can call. I mean, I can do it, but let me get a date. I have to call
I'm
downstairs.
not sure on that.
Hold on. Let me call 220.
Hello.
Or if it could be set for a formal hearing, I'll take care of it for him.
You want a formal hearing?
Sure, I'll take a formal hearing.
All right, formal hearing will be January the 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Sounds good.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Otis, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Johnson, anyone else? Cornelius Gunn, I have you checked in. I don't know why you keep.
Because I ain't never been on here before. I just was making sure I was in. That's all.
All right. Good morning to you. Go ahead, Mr. Johnson. Is that it? He's gone? All right. Who else is next? All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer now.
Your Honor,
Yes.
this is Officer Tight for Anthony Logan.
Anthony Logan here. All right, so I won't mark you late because he's not here. And I don't think Anthony Logan has checked in. So good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Andrea Giles. Andrea Giles. Andrea Giles. Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunter. Mr. Gunter, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gunter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial. That matter is set for pretrial so that we can make sure that an appointed attorney gets in contact with you. If that appointed attorney does not get in contact with you by your next court date, which is going to be January the 9th, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get an attorney appointed to you on the spot. I just need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Just one question, Your Honor. That's for all three charges, right? For the turn signal and everything that was default?
All three charges, sir.
Yep. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great holiday.
As well. City of Detroit versus Audrey Giles, case number SP 1812648, count 1 and count 2, SP 181265551, SP 1816346, counts 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Giles.
Good morning. I'm Audrey Giles.
Hey, good morning to you, ma'am. The date is the date and time. I don't know why I don't see Ms. Giles on the docket.
She's set for 12/18 show cause.
12/18 show cause. All right, we'll hear today, Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment on Ms. Giles.
Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, you have your ink pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Tell you to stop at the stop sign. Effectively quit. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper display of plate. And no proof of insurance, which is in default. It has a $45 reinstatement fee attached. I'll allow Ms. Giles to pay that $45 up front because it could potentially, if it hasn't already, affected her driver's license. Ms. Giles, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. waiting on an attorney. Mr. Stroll, are you ready?
Your Honor,
Yes.
I had a question for the court. I have an individual who I believe is going to be eligible for street court, but I'm not certain who needs to contact whom.
I will. Is that Mr. Lyles?
No, Your Honor, it would be Diamond Odell. Let's see here. I apologize. Odell Kirkland.
Okay, very well. Ms. Kirkland, are you there?
She's in a breakout room, Judge.
I'll put Mr. Patel or one of the staff members in there when comes when they arrive. They should be here shortly.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody else ready? Morning to you, Mr. Logan. All right, we're waiting on an attorney now. Mr. Shiroki, who are you waiting on?
Hi, good morning, Madam Interpreter.
1 second. He's checking in right now, Anthony Logan.
All right. If he would have made it on time, he would have gotten a dismissal. All right, he's here now. You ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor. And the police officer check in?
He did.
He did?
Yes, he did.
All right, we'll have to get an offer and see what we can do with it.
All right, City of Detroit versus Anthony James Logan. Case numbers SP 167-93433, SP 170-2887, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 177-63601, SP 178-16471, SP 179-75621, SP 181103221. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Anthony Logan.
Officer Knowles called and dismissed.
All right. On officer, good morning to you, Mr. Logan. You say officer who?
Officer Knowles.
Officer Knowles called and said that officer did not have a recollection on SP 177.
I'm here waiting now. I don't know what's going on.
601. Officer Type, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Alexander Tite.
Turn your camera on, please.
I heard do all day.
Badge number, department, please.
3422 Detroit Police Department.
Very well. All right, Officer, who else do we have? We have Officer Hillman up here. Miss Horn, can you put your appearance on the record for Logan, please? Anthony Logan?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Hillman, Officer Harris, Officer Type up here. I haven't seen Officer Lad Abed. I have not seen Officer Epperson. I don't believe I've seen Officer Epperson. Let me make sure that I check my. No, I have not seen Officer Epperson. I have Officer Knowles wanted to dismiss, no recollection. So get an updated offer, Mr. Soroki, Mr.
Logan, Anthony Logan.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 7. Join breakout room number 7. Mr. Soroki's gonna come see you when he sorts things out, all right?
And for the court's attention, Mr. Soroki, also I did speak with Hillman and Harris, no recollection for both of them.
You know, I don't have the names of all the officers by my,
I'll give you the ticket number.
what is the offer? What's the offer so we can just get to that?
I'll meet you in the breakout room.
Thank you. John, okay, 2 or? Okay.
Go to where the, yep, thank you, Your Honor.
4.
And apologies to the court if we're on the record, but we are ready on Lawrence Lyles.
This past Logan's matter, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyles. Mr. Lyles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, we would ask the court to set this again for a pretrial date. I was assigned to Mr. Lyles approximately 2 days ago. He does have, as the court can see, a significant amount of tickets here. I'm sure we're going to be able to work something out. I don't believe that there's any need to bring in officers on this. However, given the amount of people or the amount of cases, this is something that I would like to be able to work with Madam Prosecutor on off the record and then set it for a new date so that we'll have it all together on that date.
I counted 1, 2, 3. No insurance proofs. One is at 288. The other's at 288, and the other's at 288. And then I counted another no insurance civil at 258. I don't know how practical it is for him to be able to settle up on those, but if he does, he clearances here at 36 District Court. Mr. Lyles, I'm going to give you another pretrial date on January 9th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Anybody else, Mr. Malachi?
Not presently, no, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Are you going to stay and help us as well too, or
That is my intent, yes, Your Honor. As soon as somebody wants any one of these individuals, I'm happy to help in any way I can.
All right, let's call it then. Let's call this. You're free to leave, Mr. Lyles. This is the City of Detroit versus Stanley Gray. Case number B135000124, B135-87524, B144-00124, B144-00224, B144-00324, B144-00424, B144-00524, B144-00624, B144-00724, B144-00824, B144-01024, B144-01124, B144-01224, SP139-4265, counts 1 and counts 2. SP172-5621, counts 1 and counts 2. SP172-56511. Appearance for the record, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record, sir.
Stanley Gray, are you there? You have to press stars. You have to unmute yourself and start your camera, sir, and state your name. Good morning to you.
Mr. Gray?
All right, he's not. He is. Stanley Gray is not responding. So we'll pass that matter.
And Your Honor, real quick, the people are just checking on Kenan Grigsby at 9 o'clock trial. Did he appear, Your Honor? We have officers.
Kenan who?
Grigsby, Grigsby.
No, I haven't seen Grigsby.
May I release officers, Your Honor?
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Ready and Logan too, yeah.
Okay. All right. City of Detroit, Mr. Malachi versus Annette Williams Legion. Case number SP179-5336, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Williams Legion. Your Honor, oh, no, I see them. Ms. Legion, state your name for the record.
Annette Legion.
Annette Legion, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial in Officer Jamal Solomon is here or was here. Ms. Legion, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Malachi. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Today is the date and time set for that. Mr. Malabama will put her in breakout room 5. She's in there. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Judge, if you'd be so kind, could you just quickly tell me again what the case number is, because I don't have that information. I wasn't given a docket.
No insurance misdemeanor, failure to stop at a stop sign, and an expired plate.
Thank you.
All, one misdemeanor, and 2 civil infractions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
She's in the room on the phone. Now let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Landrews. Ms. Landrews, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the court would check the status of her license. Please and thank you.
Stanley Gray is scheduled for 12:19.
Stanley Gray.
Yes.
You're not scheduled till 12:19. Did you request an attorney at the last court appearance?
Okay, you're breaking up.
I'm gonna turn your camera off. Mr. Gray, did you request an attorney at the last court appearance?
No, sir.
All right, it says you're not scheduled till 12:19. Can we?
The night, I thought it was today.
I want to make sure that whether you're scheduled for, whether somebody's supposed to give you a call, an attorney. All right, Ms. Harris, Ms. Landrew's license is valid.
Your Honor, the recommendation is she could admit to the amended count of blocking traffic. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the unsafe manner. I will fine you $175 and I'll dismiss the other matters. When can you pay it?
I could pay it next week, Thursday.
I'll pay it by the 19th now. Pay it, and then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you, upload. You did that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. You have a good holiday too, and be safe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Eric Gordon. Eric Gordon. Coming in and out. There's your client Lanier, Mr. Barry. Mr. Ogletree. Who is Renee Taylor? I never identified who that was. Renee Taylor. All right, that gets me down to Roger Lewis.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Roger William Lewis, case number SP 1799820, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharon Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Roger William Lewis.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Thomas Brown, I do not see that officer on my list.
Defense would move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right. Case dismissed, Mr. Lewis. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You. You too, sir.
Thank you. Next up is going to be Cornelius Gunn. Your turn now, Mr. Gunn.
On the Giles matter. What was her first? What was the defendant's-
Andrea.
Andrea.
Yes, I'm here.
She's in one of the rooms too.
City of Detroit versus Cornelius Gunn, case number SP 1011920, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 113752, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9694271, SP 9998671, SP 181115551. 18307695, counts 1, 2, and 3. 19708335, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gunn, please state your name for the record.
Cornelius Norbert Gunn.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
I'll recall any and all warrants. I enter not guilty on your client's behalf. I'll give you a fine of $0 bond. I see that there's only one case on the docket. There's other cases that are in warrant status. And you have your pen, Ms. Harris. I'll move to those cases. All right. One of them is a driving while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper plates misdemeanor. License improper. A license improper. A no ops. Unregistered, untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. A no ops. And a no insurance misdemeanor. Ms. Harris, going to get you an update, try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
All right.
We'll pass the matter.
And thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Harris, I've noted the additional warrant counts.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Are we ready on Logan?
Standing right.
Mr. Roki? Mr. Ogletree? About you. Lanier is here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready on Lanier?
Yes. I don't think the officer is appearing.
Okay. You have Mr. Gray, Stanley Gray.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna have to come back next week when you're scheduled. I hope things are better for you, sir. I don't know how much you've progressed on that street court, but come back on the 19th, okay?
Yeah, I had lost contact. Is there any way his stuff is deleted out my
Yeah,
phone?
he should be showing up. Sit tight. Sit tight. He should be showing up, or somebody from his office.
Okay. All right. Yes,
City of Detroit versus Raymond Lanier, case number SP 17441941. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, know what you about from Mr. Lanier? Mr. Lanier, can you state your name?
Raymond Tyrone Lanier.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Officer Simpson, Officer Simpson. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer join the room or on my list, go ahead, Mr. Ogletree.
Special requesting a dismissal.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss no officer. If it's nothing further, Mr. Lanier, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, so it's dismissed.
It's dismissed.
Thanks.
Or have a good weekend.
Thanks.
And you too, Mr. Ogletree, is that all for you today? Because I just missed you. I had to come to the courtroom. Are we all set?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Have a good weekend.
Same to you.
You too, Mr. Ogletree. All right, Mr. Patel, good morning to you. First, I have Mr. Stanley Gray, I'm sorry. Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Patel so he can get your contact information updated. That'll be breakout room 9. And then Mr. Patel, I have also Mr. Lyle. Oh, no, not Mr. Lyles. Who was the other individual? Oh, Miss Odell Kirkland. She's in 8. So join the room, Mr. Gray. Mr. Patel is going to come see you, okay? Mr. Patel, Mr. Gray is set for next week at the 19th. So he came in early and he needed your contact information. He said he lost your information. And then this Kirkland is a new person that is seeking your assistance. Odell Kirkland.
Okay.
Your Honor, with your permission, the interpreter will retire now.
Okay, very well. Overall, you have a safe weekend and we'll see you back soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. You do too. Bye-bye.
Ray, you haven't joined the room. Stanley Gray, you need to join the room. All right, are we ready on Logan? Anybody ready? Attorneys. Hey, for officers. Good morning to you. Arvin. Good morning to you. I didn't see Tyson. Oh, Eric Gordon is here to leave, so you are not free to leave. But Golson is not. Corporal Baker. Granberry never showed. You are free to leave. And Valenstein.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
Be safe. Have a safe weekend. Mr. Barrett, are we ready on anyone?
Judge, yes, we're ready on Kim Little.
What about Osley? Are we ready on Osley as well?
Judge, hold on one second. I have to look at my notes. I do believe, did they she had indicated, was that set for a trial on that Osley? Hold on.
It was set for a trial.
I don't know if the police officer showed up.
I don't believe they did.
Well then, if they didn't, Judge, we'd be ready for dismissal. Then I had one more on there. William
Detroit,
I'm sorry.
City of Detroit versus Joshua Terrell Osley, case numbers SP 135-91591, SP 180-0524, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Osley, Joshua Osley. Based upon the court statements, no officer, we make a motion that the matters be dismissed.
All right, Mr. Osley, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Joshua Terrell Osley.
Strike that. Officer Bartlett did appear. I don't see Officer Bartlett now. Let Ms. Harris know. Let Ms. Horn know that Officer Bartlett did appear. Let's see if he's in. And I don't know why he left. So go speak to Ms. Horn about that.
Well, Judge, I did speak to Ms. Horn, and Officer Bartlett, is he on the disorderly?
He is on the disorderly, yes.
Okay, well, Judge, if he is here, then like I indicated to her, I'm gonna have to get discovery on this, and I'm gonna be requesting a bench trial date.
Today is the date and time, requesting a new bench trial date, correct?
That would be correct, Judge, because I just got appointed.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss SP 135-91591 because there's no officer for that case. Then SP 1800524, counts 1 and counts 2. I'll reset that for trial on January 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Do you have Mr. Osley's contact information?
Yes, Judge, I've spoken to him. That's how I know. January 12th.
Yes, at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Mr. Osley, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, are we ready on Kim Little?
Yes, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Little. Case numbers SP 172-7560, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-7563, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1788348, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1788385 call C78903 into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Kim Little. Judge, we've come to a resolution in her matters, and she wants to waive her right and plead guilty on those couple of misdemeanors and admit responsibility on the speeding. Do you want me to tell you what it is, or do you have it?
All right, what I'm gonna do first is Z78031. I'm gonna waive the fees on that, close it out. That case was dismissed back in 12/5/2012, and there was some fees that were on there that never, $45 fees. I'm gonna waive those fees, so that matter can close out.
Okay, great.
Okay, what is the offer?
Okay, Judge, so she has on that SP 1727561. They're reducing that to failure to display. And then the other one, SP 17883 4851. They're gonna take that to an allowing. And then on the civil infraction, SP 17883-481, they're gonna take that to a limited access 1 to 5, and then the balance of the tickets should be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
Not at the moment.
Well, you have to find out, because if you don't have any now, it's gonna, then you won't be able to bring it back. So if you don't have any questions, you went over all the rights, right?
Okay, so, wow.
Well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let Ms. Barrett go back in the breakout room with you, and you read over her entire advice or rights. Make sure she understands each one of those rights. If you have any questions about the rights, Ms. Little, you can ask Ms. Barrett to explain. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, what could you put her back in her room? Because I can't do that.
Yeah, she's go. Just rejoin that room, Ms. Little.
Okay.
Also, Judge, could you put Mr. William Gregory in a room?
All right, Mr. William Gregory, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in room 9.
All right, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Go back, Miss Little, so I can talk to you.
You gotta go down to the bottom of your screen and it should be open for you still. Here, I'm gonna switch and make it easier.
Okay, yeah. I've just seen it.
Go to the restroom. Do you need anything from me?
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
How you doing, Judge?
I'm well.
How you been? I've been good.
We're changing up. I'm gonna be upstairs. For holiday.
Oh, okay.
935. And for some reason, they gave us a break, they're dropping the letter O from my name.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
There's gonna be a significant amount of cases that we're gonna to hear.
That's a good thing.
Okay, Judge, we're ready on Mr. Gregory.
This is the city of Detroit versus William Wesley Gregory. Case numbers SP 164-02431, SP 173-6652, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1755485, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1755487. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, good morning, Judge. Malia Baird on behalf of William Gregory. Mr. Gregory, you can tell the judge your name. Mr. Gregory? He's on here.
Sorry, my bad. Good morning, Your Honor. William Wesley Gregory.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Harris, what does your client, Mr. Gregory, want to do?
Okay, Judge, I talked to the prosecutor about this. There's a plea offer. He wants to waive his rights. He'd be pleading to 2 misdemeanors and admitting responsibility on that civil infraction. Do you want me to tell you which ones they are, Judge?
Please.
Okay, Judge. So here he would on that SP 1640243-1, they're going to give him a 3-month delayed sentence on that. And then on SP 17554-851, he would plead as charged to improper plates. Then, Judge, he would admit responsibility on SP 17554-871, the defective equipment. Balance dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Barrett went over the other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, you did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
I did, and I accept those right. Well, I accept the terms as well.
And do you have any questions?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Excuse me, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Anybody offer you anything other than what we said we'll do today, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 8th, 2024, at around 11:13 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Whitney and Homer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor. I did, yes.
All right, what went on? Go ahead. I don't see any notes down here to give me any understanding of what the allegation was.
So Your Honor, what happened that day was I was just driving up the street because my mother actually lives on Columbus Street right there on the other side of Whitney. I was just leaving from her house up the street, and I saw a police car parked right there in the middle of the street. They weren't parked on the side. They had their lights turned off. It was a stop sign right there, so I stopped first, and I gave them the signal to go, but they told me to go. But I said it was just it was a go ahead for them. So when I didn't go, the second time they flicked their lights at me, they pulled me. They tried to pull me over. They pulled in front of my car, tried to pull me over. And I backed I backed around the corner into my mom's house because it was a random traffic stop out of the blue because we were both at a stop sign. At this point, I had insurance and clean plates and everything, whatnot, clean license.
Let me stop you. Miss Barrett, did you discuss this with your client?
Well, he had indicated he's going to plead, but Judge, the way he sounds, it seems as if we need to set these matters for a bench trial.
Well, I would like you to discuss it with him because he's giving me a story that I don't know whether it rises to the level of disregarding officer's signal. It sounds like he felt that it was a misunderstanding. He didn't know. I don't know. But he needs to talk to somebody about it, and you would be that person. I'm here just to take the plea, and I'm what I'm hearing. I don't know if I hear as much as it sounds like he's wants to take the deal,
No,
or he
Your
wants.
Honor, I'll take the plea.
Wait a minute, stop.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Sir.
Go back in the breakout room and you go over this stuff with Miss Barrett. And when
Yes,
you're
sir.
ready, after you go out and discuss it with her, you two make a determination. Miss Barrett will help you make that determination of whether it's set for a trial or not.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, rejoin the room, please.
All right.
Okay.
We'll make it easier for her. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunn. Mr. Gunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. I've also advised Mr. Gunn to possibly reach out to the Secretary of State or visit the Secretary of State to garner more information about his cases and the status of his license.
Mr. Gunn, I'm going to set the matter for trial on January the 12th, 2026. I'm going to wish you a safe, happy holiday season, sir. I'm wishing and best of luck to you, okay?
You said that was the 26th?
No, the 12th on
The 12th.
2026, yeah. January the 12th.
Okay. At what time?
9 a.m.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
One question, do I come down there or do I do this Zoom call again?
It's up to you, sir. You have it your way, whether you want to come down or come in on Zoom. That's up to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Judge, Tyra Gunn is scheduled for January 6th.
I know.
Are you a part?
Thank you.
You are a file?
Okay. Gregory Lane.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Run his license as well. This is the this is the state of Michigan versus Gregory Lane. Case number SX4610898, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lane, please state your name for the record.
Gregory Bernard Lane.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that if there are any warrants, that they be recalled.
We'll enter as a show cause. I guess he missed his court date. Date is set for the 18th, the show cause, and the other matter is in default. I don't have any issue with setting the default aside. It's a no ops and an effective brake light ticket. Running the driver's license now. I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0. Valid. Mr. Lane's license is valid, Ms. Harris.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Lane, join the breakout room. Ms. Harris is going to speak to you, attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Hit join there, sir, when you see it pop up. I know, he's just showing. Let's pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Gregory?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Barrett?
I'm here, Your Honor, ready on Giles.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Giles. Ms. Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer of the people to allow her to enter a plea of blocking traffic and the remaining matters to be dismissed. That for the failure to stop the stop sign.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Giles?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175. When can you pay it, Ms. Giles?
I was hoping I could do like community service because I really can't pay it.
6 hours of community service. I needed the phone number from you. If you want to put it in the chat, you can.
A good telephone number is 313-744-3430.
3430?
That's correct.
All right, I'm gonna, well, the number for community service, you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you, but I'll give you the number anyway.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now that number is 313-965-8130.
Okay.
I'm going to give you until January the 12th to complete these community service hours. At 8:25 is your next court date.
Yes.
Listen out for the community service. Ask the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the community service coordinator. You get those 6 hours complete, we'll close the matter out. If you don't hear from her in the next week or so, reach back out to the court or call that number, and we'll get you in contact with her. Ms. Giles, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you. Can I get that court date when I'm supposed to be back again? You said January
12, 2026 at 8:25.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back. You as well. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Legion. Ms. Legion, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is your client want to do?
Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, she's going to be pleading responsible to the amended count of impeding traffic. All other counts are being dismissed. Judge, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of that responsible plea.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Legion?
Yes, Your Honor.
And with that stipulation, I will find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign and dismiss the other matters. $175, Ms. Legion. When can you pay?
January the 4th.
All right, make sure it's paid by January the 12th, ma'am. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Legion, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Bartlett, Officer Bartlett, you're free to leave. They rescheduled that to another trial day, I think on the 12th of January.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, are we still here on Little?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Little. Ms. Little, do you understand your rights now?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just, yes, sir.
You went over those rights with Miss Baird, right?
Yes.
And you don't have any questions about those rights, do you?
No, I'm okay. Yes.
And you know by taking this deal, you're gonna lose those rights, right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention. All right, will you admit that you were speeding on that 9/9 date, 16 in a 20-mile-an-hour zone, ma'am? 16
Wow.
over, 16 over?
No, I was not speeding.
Okay, well, it's over with. There's no deal. Trial.
Okay, we'll take a trial date then.
Okay. Says that it was 30 miles an hour zone, clock that
No,
going
sir. No,
6
sir.
miles, 46 miles an hour.
46 miles an hour, that sounds like expressway.
All right, well, we're gonna set a trial date. Trial date is going to be January 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Are we ready on Gregory?
Yes, he wants bench trial date.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory,
Yes,
you
Your
want to
Honor.
try it as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That trial date is going to be January 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gregory, you have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. All right, thank you. See you. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
And Your Honor.
Logan, who has Logan? Go ahead, Mr. Malachi.
Judge, I was just going to say, I see that Miss Odell Kirkland is out. I presume that she had a chance to speak to somebody from Street Court, but I don't know what the disposition is at this point.
Ms. Kirkland, good morning to you. Diamond Odell Kirkland.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was unmuted. Good morning. How you doing?
Take your bonnet off, please, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Take your bonnet off.
Okay. I'm sorry. I just okay.
Yeah, Ms. Kirkland, have you talked to Mr. Patel?
Mr. Who?
Mr. Patel?
Yeah. The one I was in the breakout room with? Yes.
Yes. Are you going to join the street court?
Yes.
All right. Let me get Mr. Patel on that, Mr. Malachi. All right. Mr. Shiroki, are you ready on Logan?
Yes, Your Honor. We have to just walk our way through. I think everything's
Hey, stop.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Logan. Mr. Logan, we're only talking about a driving license suspended, because all the other matters have been dismissed for no officer or no recollection.
Can you unmute, please?
What is the offer gonna be, Mr. Shiroki?
The offer is, it was going to be, everything was, there's just that one ticket left. So, what was the affiliate? I didn't, get an offer on it, basically. I would think it's be affiliate display.
Get an offer, Mr. Shiroki.
So there's
please.
one ticket, driver license suspended is his only ticket. I'll get that offer.
All right, put the cigarette out, Miss Odell Kirkland, and put some more clothes on.
I do have clothes on, sir. I don't.
Cover your shoulders. Listen, I don't want to see your tattoos and your tank top. All right.
I can put my coat on. I don't have any of my clothes or anything.
All right.
Sir, that's all I have.
Put the cigarette out, man.
I don't have a cigarette lit.
Well, somebody was smoking. I saw some smoke.
Yeah, that wasn't a cigarette, sir. I don't smoke cigarettes or weed or anything, but I don't have any. I got my coat though.
Very well. I'm gonna stop the video, ma'am. I'll wait on Mr. Patel, okay?
Jay, stop. I have my coat right here. I don't my coat on. I got my coat. Jay, sit down.
I'm gonna mute you too, ma'am. All right.
And Logan, you're right.
Let's go back on the record with Logan. What's the offer?
The offer is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Logan?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you gone over his advice or rights, Mr. Soroka?
Yes, we've been over them, Your Honor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Shiroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 15, 2025, at around 1:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Cadillac and East Forest.
Going to get Jada.
Did you have a case? Hold on, wait a minute.
You're in court.
You're in court, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
On February 15, 2025, at 1:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Cadillac and East Forest, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing, that is, a misdemeanor that does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. I'll fine you $240 for that. I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Logan?
Like right after the beginning of the year, right after the first.
All right, pay it by December 12th. Come back on December 12th, 2025. December, strike that. Come back on January 12th, 2026. January 12th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, same to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a,
All right, Officer Tight.
All right,
You know,
same to you.
have a happy holidays. Great weekend.
thank you.
You
Thank
too.
you, Mr. Officer Tight. You be safe out there. If you don't have anything further, you're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good holiday.
All right, thank you. This is, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's going to be the outcome?
Yeah, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case is dismissed, Mr. Lane. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you as well, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye.
I sent Matthew Goltz. He didn't have it. Did you send him home? Matthew Golson. Miss Barrett. No, I don't see a Matthew Golson. I'm gonna put you out, Mr. Lane.
Matthew goes at 8:35.
Gregory Eric Gordon, his device.
Are you there?
City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Eric Earl Gordon. Case number SP 1738165, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1796050, counts 2. Record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
Eric Earl Gordon.
Good morning to you, sir. All right, Officer DeLue, you have to get someplace that's quiet enough where I can name, badge, number, department. Good morning to you, please. State your name, badge, number, department, Officer DeLue. Good morning to you.
Officer Duluth, badge 2165, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I didn't see an Officer Melvin, Zachary Melvin, Mr. Perry.
Okay.
Give Mr. Gordon an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gordon, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Join, pass the matter. All right, Ms. Odell Kirkland, I'm gonna get you out of here as soon as Mr. Patel comes back, all right?
Okay. I have my coat on.
Very well, very well.
Your Honor, we're ready on Odell Kirkland and Mr. Gray. We can appear next week as well for Mr. Gray. Just keep it on as docketed.
City of Detroit versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SP 11672-301, SP 1683629, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1698590, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 170749111, SP 1717474, counts 1, 2, SP 1724332, SP 1752823, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1550761, SP 1167228, counts 1 and counts 2, in the state of Michigan versus Diamond Odell Kirkland, case number SX 387577, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Miss Odell Kirkland. Miss Odell Kirkland, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Diamond Odell Kirkland.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Kirkland. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm glad to hear that you had a good conversation with Mr. Patel. Ms. Kirkland, let me say this to you. I'm gonna be praying for you, ma'am. I know you're in a difficult situation right now. You're probably in one of the most difficult situations you've been in your life. And we'll be praying for you. I truly believe that there is light at the end. I truly believe that there's light at the end of the tunnel. I know that light might not be shining as bright for you right now, but I guarantee you that if you persevere and you work with Mr. Patel and you're diligent about it, that light will get brighter. The only thing I can't say is when that time will come. I hope it will be sooner rather than later. I always offer a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, the true test of a man is not where he stands or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversy. So, Ms. Kirkland, this is your test. I'm sure you're going to get through this. Everybody's going to be rooting for you and praying for you. And I have seen Mr. Patel's system work. I know it's going to work for you. I would like it to work sooner rather than later. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
All right. And try and have a safe and happy holiday season as best you can. Mr. Patel, when is the next court date that you need?
End of March.
End of March. Let's just say, is that March 12th? Can we do March 12th? That's the date I have.
March 12th. We have a date with another participant. That if we got to do mid-month, then March 2nd.
Let's just do March 27th. March 27th.
27th. Okay.
All right. I'm going to give you a pre-trial date of March 27th at 8:30. Again, we'll be praying for you, Ms. Odell. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And best of luck to you. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right, Mr. Stanley Gray, you're just going to come back next week, right? That's on the 19th.
Yes, sir.
All right, you don't have to be safe. I'll see you back next week.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Hello?
Thank you.
Brown. All right, Mr. Patel, thank you so much.
Have a good, I'll see you next week.
Want me to start my video?
Mr. Brown, why are you so late?
I thought it was at 1:30 as like my previous court date. I apologize, sir. I swear to God, I thought it was at 1:30 p.m. My mail go to my mom and she tell me the date and she forgot to tell me the time, but that's my responsibility. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd be saying all that about your mail going to your mom and she handling your business, but that's up to how you want to do it. All right, City of Detroit versus Ozar Graham, because obviously something's not getting connected because you missed your court date. Case numbers SP 1497203, 1, SP 177782001, SP 1799741, and 237555531. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Judge, but I had court, the last court that I had court that same day in New Baltimore.
I know, but you still should have called and checked in.
I called.
All right, nevertheless, go ahead. Appearance for the record, please, from Mr. Brown.
Excuse me?
I need an attorney to appear. Nobody wants to represent Mr. Graham?
I can get a lawyer, Your Honor.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Graham. Please state your name for the record.
Oswald Graham.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond and recall the warrants. Ms. Harris, I have a driving while license suspended repeat offender. I have a seatbelt ticket. I have a drag racing ticket, and I have a no ops ticket. He owes a few other things, but get Mr. Graham in a breakout room, speak to him, and Mr. Graham, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, if I may, I just wanted to check if my case had been called. I had to drop earlier to go check into another courtroom.
All right. I don't know what case you have. I think that's, I don't see anybody else. Just Ms. Granberry finally showing up.
Defendant's name is Golson, Deanna Golson.
Golson?
Correct.
I haven't seen Golson.
Okay. I'll hang out a little bit. I had checked in with Miss Warren earlier, so I'll shoot her text.
Oh, you're free to leave. Golson didn't show. Be safe and have a safe and happy holiday season if I don't see you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, as well.
Granberry,
Hello, Your Honor.
why are you so late, man? Hello.
I actually couldn't get my phone to turn on. I don't have no other device to use to call.
All right, you're going to have to come back. Both officers appear. It's the City of Detroit versus Tamika Granberry, case number SP 1548842, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 179508661, SP 1795041, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Ms. Granberry. Ms. Granberry, state your name for the record.
Tamika Granberry.
Corporal Baker appear and Officer Valenstein appear. Uh, Mr. Granberry, I'm gonna reset this matter after the holidays for January 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you very much, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. That'll conclude that. You're free to leave, ma'am. Don't be late next time.
I won't.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. It's my understanding that Mr. Graham is going to bring or will retain his own counsel.
Well, we might want to set a pretrial date then, right, Mr. Graham? If, to make sure you get that appointed attorney? I mean, that retained attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on pretrial on January the 9th, 2026 at 8:30, going to retain attorney. I'm gonna wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and I wish you the best of luck, all right?
Thank you.
All right. I think that's it.
You said January 9th? January 9th.
January 9th at 8:30.
8:30. Okay.
Yeah. We're still waiting on Eric Gordon. All right, be safe.
That's it, Your Honor.
That's it. Thank you, Mr. Malafat. I appreciate
Not
you.
a problem. Thank you, everyone.
Have a safe and happy holiday season if I don't see you.
Absolutely, Judge. You as well.
Thank you. Diana Goulson.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. How can we help you?
Good morning. I was told to come back to court on the 9th for a ticket that I got.
So why are you so late?
I thought I was supposed to be in here at 12:30.
All right, I only have one officer. Booth is here. Officer Harvin is gone. We're gonna have to reset your matters as well. It's 9 a.m. now.
You said it was at 9 a.m.?
It was at 9 a.m. City of Detroit versus Diana Wilson, case number SP 175-9601, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 175-96751, SP 180-985, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 181-0862, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Deanna Golson.
Golson, I'm sorry.
Ms. Golson, would you please sit up? This is a formal hearing.
I am standing up. My iPad is just sitting down.
Please sit up.
Sit up, ma'am. All right. Days, date, and time set for trial. Officer Duluth, you want to put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Officer Duluth, badge 2165, Detroit Police Department.
All right. For today's purposes, Officer Tyson, I don't believe appeared. Mark, Officer Harvin appeared, and Officer Luke appeared. Don't see that Officer Tyson has appeared.
We'll move to dismiss on those matters.
I'll grant that motion to dismiss on those matters. And then the other matters, we're going to reset for trial on January 12th, 2026. At what time, Ms. Golson?
9 a.m.
There you go, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Gordon's license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. My client seeks a trial on the failure to stop for a stop sign, Your Honor. One of Officer Duluth.
What was the offer?
Blockading, Your Honor.
And he wants a trial on failure to stop at a stop sign. Is the principalities of it, huh?
Yes, Your Honor. The only question is This is an identity thing, and he believes the officer will recognize that this is not the person.
Well,
That he
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. Officer Duluth, can we go in a breakout room, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
that makes it a whole lot different. All right, join the room.
I'll join room 1.
But rejoin that room, Officer Duluth.
All right, room 1?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Pass it. I guess that would be a very good reason to have a trial, Mr. Gordon.
Okay, the people are ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, Mrs. Horn. What do you want to do? What does the city want to do?
I just want to make a statement for the record. The people are moving to dismiss both counts. Number 1, I find it interesting that he'll fight the no license by providing the permit information, but deny the identity on the failure to stop. Officer Duluth does not recognize him, but was willing to dismiss anyway since he does have a temporary driver's permit. But Mr. Gordon, I just want to express that to you. You can't bifurcate whether people can identify you on one matter, but then comply on the other matter if you believe that none of this was you. But the people are moving for dismissal.
Well, it was
Stop. Ms. Horn, Mr. Gordon said nothing. He hadn't made any statement whatsoever. He spoke to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Only thing I said was Mr. Gordon has a valid driver's license.
You did, Your Honor.
So I mean, I don't think that Mr. Gordon is maybe you and Mr. Berry should have had a conversation before Mr. Berry came back, but Mr. Gordon didn't say anything to the court about that.
Yeah, I just heard when I came in here just a moment ago before speaking to Officer Duluth that he believes it wasn't him.
Yes, he did
Right.
say. I mean, he did say that, but Mr. Gordon is not the one that said, "I want to bifurcate this," and I want to. I believe the one thing should be dismissed because I have a valid driver's license or anything like that. He didn't say a word. So I think you interpreted that by what Mr. Berry put on the record, but I don't think that was. I don't think that should. I don't think that should be directly toward Mr. Gordon. Maybe you and Mr. Berry should have had a conversation before Mr. Berry came in and said something.
You're absolutely right, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Gordon, case dismissed. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and Officer Duluth, you be safe out there as well, and best of luck to you. Obviously, Mr. Gordon, if you have something going on with somebody's using your name and stuff like that, you probably need to go to the Secretary of State and get your license flagged. Because it's happening. We just had a young lady coming from Florida this is the third time it's happened to her, Miss Oleski. So if it's happening and the person got away with it one time, I'm quite sure that they're going to use it again.
Yep. I've had to do it myself, Mr. Gordon. Someone used my debit card at one point, but my license was still in the wallet. And so I was afraid that they may have taken a picture of my license just for purposes of using in the future. And I did go to the Secretary of State and flag my record just in case.
All right. All right. So, Mr. Gordon, have a safe, happy holiday season. You as well, Officer DeLu, and you both be safe out there. All right.
Same to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right.